Welcome to our clinic at Punjabi Bagh, conveniently located near Shivaji Park Metro Station. Established in 2013, our clinic has been a cornerstone for comprehensive care in dermatology, hair treatments, and dental health. Dr. Vijay Singhal, an esteemed alumnus of AIIMS, specializes in acne treatment and performs hair transplant surgeries with ease, attracting patients from around the world. Dr. Aparna Singhal, a distinguished M.D.S gold medalist from GDC Rohtak, is an endocrine specialist. Together, we uphold our commitment to excellence in patient care. Our clinic is furnished with a B-class autoclave and digital OPG machine, ensuring state-of-the-art equipment for your care. We extend heartfelt thanks to our supporters and invite you to trust us with all your skin, hair, and dental concerns.